the second tip is think positive but accept the reality, right? The positive thinking means that your focus is on the bright side of the life. The positive thinking gives you more confidence. It can help you to transform your life. The positive thinking doesn't mean that everything will happen smoothly and perfectly and as per your choices. It doesn't mean that. The positive thinking means that you're thinking in a positive and productive way, and you believe that something good is going to happen and you're pretty much confident about it. It will give you the positive energy, right? Now the important thing is think positive but accept the reality. No doubt that the positive thinking will give the confidence, but be prepared if something happens which you were not expecting. You need to understand the situation and accept the reality. But in any case, don't lose hope, try again, just life happens sometimes. Positive thinking lowers the level of distress, which leads to better psychological and physical well being. Alright? So, this was the second tip think positive but accept the reality. This is very important.